Travel verbs, these are usable for you when you go on vacation or when you are going somewhere, okay? The verbs go, take, and visit are the most commonly used words when we are traveling, okay? So when to use go, when to use take, and when to use visit. First, we use go, okay, when moving to a place or doing an activity. Example, I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the library. Moving, right? I'm going to the toilet. Okay? I will go hiking this weekend or during the holiday. Go on a trip. I want to go on a trip in Chiang Rai. Yes, because there's a shrine, Japanese shrine in Chiang Rai, 2 hours away. Okay? There. The word take, for the verb take, we use the verb take when using transportation or joining an organized activity. Example, I take a bus to go to Chiang Mai. Okay? I take the plane to go to Bangkok. I take a tour to Chiang Mai with my husband's family. Okay? Take a cruise as well in the river cruising in Bangkok. We did that, okay? A few years ago. Next, the word visit. The verb visit, we use this when going to see a person or a place. Example, I'ma visit the museum on holiday, during the holiday. I visit my friends when I go to the Philippines for vacation. Okay? I visit Bangkok whenever I travel back to the Philippines. I visit Bangkok and then from Bangkok, I fly to the Philippines. I have 3 flights because our hometown in the Philippines is in the province. So, Chiang Rai to Bangkok, Bangkok to the Philippines, and then from Manila, Philippines to the southern part. 3 rides, very tiring na to travel. That's why I only go on vacation once a year. And it's very expensive as well during December, okay? Do you understand now when to use the verbs go, take, and visit? Clear? Is it clear? More examples for you, class. Go backpacking. Backpacking. Are you a backpacker? Okay. Go skiing. Do you like skiing? Well, we don't have snow here. Maybe you can go skiing in South Korea or Japan. Okay. Go rafting. River rafting. Go to a local market. Yeah, the night market. Go to the night market. I love buying food there because the food are fresh and cheap, right? Very affordable. Go to a local museum. Yeah, there are beautiful museums in Chiang Rai, okay? Chiang Sen? I forgot the place. Go to a national park. Yeah, in Chiang Rai, there are national parks, okay? Go on a trip. Do you like going on a trip with your friends? Yes, class. Go on a trip. While you are young and you still have the energy, go on a cruise. Go on a bus tour. Okay? Go on a guided tour with maybe go to different ancient buildings in Chiang Rai. There are a lot, okay? Near the Golden Triangle, okay? What else? Yeah, the form, class. Okay? When you use this verb, the form, the structure is go plus verb and ing. Okay? Ing, backpacking, skiing, rafting. Okay? Or go to plus place. Go to a local market. Go to the night market. Today is Monday. The night market is outside. Okay. What else? Go on plus a or an activity or a noun. Go on a trip, noun. Go on a cruise, noun. Go on a bus tour, noun. Okay, noun phrase. Go on a guided tour, noun phrase. Okay, the format, the structure. Okay, next, take a cruise. Take a bus tour. Take a guided tour. Okay, the format take, the word take plus a or an plus a noun or an activity. Okay, take a cruise, take a bus tour, take a guided tour. Okay, visit, visit plus the place. I'm gonna visit the library this weekend. I'm gonna visit, what will I visit? M Square later after class. I'm gonna visit, what else do I visit? I'm gonna visit the office. Yeah, tomorrow I need to go to the office after our class. Okay, to print some documents. Okay, visit. So just remember the pattern, class. Okay, do you understand? Do you have questions?